The number of COVID patients in hospitals has doubled since Labor Day of 2020. It shows how the Delta variant has slowed down progress in curbing the pandemic. There were 38,000 people in hospitals with the virus on September 7th, 2020. Back then, the vaccine rollout was still months away. The figure has skyrocketed to 99,000. That is a 160% increase. Idaho will start rationing medical care at some hospitals amid a surge of COVID patients. The state is activating crisis standards of care due to a shortage of staffing and available beds. People who need medical care may have to wait for beds or get treated in hallways or conference rooms. Idaho has one of the lowest vaccination rates in the country. Hundreds of military doctors and nurses are being sent to southern states to address the surge in hospitalizations there. Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama are among the worst to be hit by the Delta variant. So far, only 39% of people in Alabama has received both doses of the vaccine. The U.S. continues to average more than 100,000 new COVID cases every day.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says he's still optimistic Pfizer booster shots will be available by September 20th. He also says a third dose might be part of a full vax regimen.
It looks very much like it isn't as if 2 doses of a vaccine are failing. It's that the proper regimen will very likely, as we look back on it months from now, will be that 3 doses is really what you should be getting of an mRNA. When you give the person that third boost, you dramatically increase the level of protection, even more so than before the boost. It goes up to and beyond the level of protection. So, I believe strongly that ultimately we are going to see that as the proper regimen, 3 doses of an mRNA.
A Moderna booster might take a bit longer to be readily available, and Johnson & Johnson's booster is still being researched. Kansas City, Missouri is offering booster shots to people with compromised immune systems for the rest of the week. Third doses are available at the health department's vaccine clinic at 24th and Troost. They're available from 8:30 to 7 each day.